Hi everyone, welcome to the another session of social science. As you already know, in the previous class, I have completed various points from the Mysuru division. And today I am going to continue with the Mysuru division. Today's session, we are going to discuss about the districts of Mysuru division. As you already know, in the Mysuru, total 8 districts are there. In this session, we are going to discuss about each district of Mysuru division, about the agriculture, industries, tourist places, and important personalities are discussed here. So let's start to discuss about each district one by one. Firstly, Mysuru district. Mysuru was the capital of Mysuru kings or Mysuru rulers in the earlier times. Present, it is not our capital city, but still remains the cultural capital of our state, because Mysuru is very rich culture it has. As you already know, in the previous class we have discussed about the culture of the Mysuru division. So that present it is not our capital, but also it remains as a cultural capital of our Karnataka state. In the Mysuru University is there. This is the oldest university of our state, because this Mysuru University has completed 1 century, so that it is the oldest university of our state. And also here the very famous Dasara festival is celebrated every year, and also it is known internationally too. And there are many monuments, palaces, churches, temples, mosques are present in the Mysuru division. These all represent our heritage. And the very famous church and a very beautiful church, that is Saint Philomena Church, it is in the Mysuru. And Chamundi Hill and Nandi idol on the hill are the major attraction of this city. Somanathapura, Nanjanagoodu, Talakadu, Gommatagiri of Bettaduru. These all attract thousands of visitors every year for this place. And the animal present in the zoo attracts elders as well as children. The very famous Brindavan garden, it is the part of KRS Dam. And Jagan Mohana Palace, very beautiful palace, it is also in the Mysuru. And Buddha Vihara of Bailukoppe is also world famous place in the Mysuru. Our state was called Mysuru state till 1973. Later on, the name got our state as Karnataka. So this is about the Mysuru district, first district of Mysuru division. So let's discuss about the another district of Mysuru division, that is Chamarajanagar district. Chamarajanagar was known as Arikutara. Means in the earlier times this place used to call as Arikutara. So it was named Chamarajanagar by Krishnaraja Odayer III in the memory of his father, because his father's name was Chamaraja Odayer, and Chamaraja Odayer was born in this place. And there is a Chamarajeshwara temple was built in his memory. The district is famous for mulberry cultivation and production of silkworm. And Bandipura National Park is in Gundlupete Taluk of this district. many visitors can see wild animals like tiger, leopard, and other wild animals. Apart from this, Biligiri Rangana Betta Wildlife Sanctuary is present here. There is a temple of Biligiri Ranga on Biligiri Rangana Betta. Along with this, Malay Mahadeshwara Hills and Himavada Gopalaswamy Hills are the well-known temples of this district. The famous Hogenkal waterfalls is present here, and there is a Bandahalli Dargah in Sategal. So these are the major attractive places of Chamarajanagar district. So the next district is Hassan district. The name of Hassan has come from the temple Hassanamba, because there is a Hassanamba temple here. So that this place got the name Hassan. The temple is open once in a year for public visit. Means it will be open only once in the year, one time in a year for public visits. The temples of this district are famous for Hoysala architecture. Villages like Goruru and Musule are very famous. The Chennakeshava temple on the banks of river Yagachi in Beluru is known for its beautiful carving. Means stone carving, ಕೆತ್ತನೆ, ಗುಡಿಯ ಗೋಡೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆತ್ತನೆಗೆ ಇವು ಫೇಮಸ್. ಬೇಲೂರು was called Velapuri, and Kedareshwara, Hoysaleshwara temples are in Halebeedu. These temples have a history of more than 1000 years. This place was called Dwarasamudra. Another marvelous place of this district is Shravanabelagola, a monolith statue of Bahubali, which is 1000 years old, is here. Means this Bahubali statue in Shravanabelagola. It is the 1000 old statue, and also its height is 58 feet height. Mahamastaka Abhisheka means ritual bathing of this idol takes place once in 12 years. Means every 12 years Mahamastaka Abhisheka is done to this monolith statue of Gomateshwara statue of Shravanabelagola. This ritual attracts visitors from national and international places. Means to see this Mahamastaka Abhisheka, visitors visit to this place from national level and also international level. And the railway line between Hassan and Mangaluru has 58 tunnels. Traveling in this line itself is adventurous. And Sri H.D. Deve Gowda, the first Prime Minister from Karnataka, is from this district. So all over this district also one of the very rich culture it has, and also it is very famous for many temples. So this is about the Hassan district. The next district of Mysuru division, that is Chikkamagaluru district. In the Chikkamagaluru district, there is a Sharada Devi temple in Sringeri. It is the very famous temple of our state. It is on the banks of river Tunga, and it was established by Adi Shankaracharya. And Chikkamagaluru city is 1034 meters above the sea level. It has a pleasant climate, very cool climate, very attractive climate. The district is part of hilly areas known as Malenadu. It means this district is covered with the hilly areas, so that it is also called Malenadu. Along with this district has dense forest, very thick forest it has covered. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary is also here. It is also called Muthodi Animal Sanctuary. Apart from this, Ulavi Bird Sanctuary is also there. St. Andrew's Church, which was built in the 19th century, is there in the Chikkamagaluru district. The very famous Jamia Masjid is also there. Kemmannugundi has evergreen forest covered. It means throughout the year this place will be covered with a greenery, so that it is called evergreen forest. It has many waterfalls, and also it's 1400 meters above the sea level. This place is means Kemmannugundi. This is 1400 meters above the sea level. Krishnaraja Wadiyar Fort, he has built a bungalow here. He had built a bungalow in this place because this climate is very pleasant and very cool climate, and he used to stay in this bungalow only in the summer season, because in the summer season also this climate will be very pleasant and cool. There are many scenic spots are there in the Chikkamagaluru district, like Abbe waterfalls, Mullayanagiri waterfalls and Kalahatagiri. These are the major attractive places. Along with this, a rose garden is present in the Chikkamagaluru district. In this rose garden, there are more than 1500 varieties of roses are there. Rose plants are planted there. The Baba Budangiri, which is in the Western Ghats, is also called as Chandradrona Parvata. Baba Budangiri, Giri means hill. That is also called Chandradrona Parvata. It is also here. The Dargah of Sufi Saint Baba Budan is here. There is a saint, his name was Baba Budan. There is a Dargah on his name. It is said that he introduced coffee to India. This Baba Budan has introduced coffee to the India. And also the rivers Tungabhadra, Hemavati, Netravati and Vedavati are born in this district. So this is about the Chikkamagaluru district.